All right. We are on the road, and I thought no better time than to go over how to do technical SEO in a super simple manner. The easiest guide on technical SEO. People make it sound so complicated, so crazy. It's really not that nuts. Please comment technical SEO. We can work around the YouTube algorithm, really blow up the channel, try to get more followers. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell so you know when I post new videos. Awesome. Let's get straight into it. Guys, if you want access to this Notion sheet, sign up for the newsletter in my description. Once you sign up, it'll be the first email that you get sent. You get all my checklists, SOPs, everything I use for my SEO job every day. Easy guide to technical SEO. Super, super easy. And guys, remember, not everything matters. That's a vague statement, but not everything in technical SEO matters. If you're from, let's go 80 to 90 and above, depending on the issues, you're probably good. Focus on that. Here is the website I am doing. Just like to do this for the videos. Look up richest city in Florida or different areas. Naples came up, so I picked Plumber Naples, and this is what I got. We got the map pack sponsored, and then we got Bob Hill Plumbing. Guys, you know I can't stand this. No favicon. Fix that. It's such a minor detail, but we'll go into this and we'll see that Bob is actually doing really, really well. Here's his website. Super simple. Guys, if you're going to build a website, people ask me this all the time. What should I build it on? The only website builders I ever build on are WordPress and Webflow. Webflow is for like design and function. It's super fun. You can do everything on WordPress. It is perfect. And guys, Elementor, super simple. This guy's using Yoast SEO. Use Rank Math if you're going to use a SEO plugin. Definitely use Rank Math. To check any site, if you guys find sites you like, get this plugin, Wapalizer. It tells you WordPress. It tells them to use GoDaddy SEO blocks, Elementor, Yoast SEO. Even that he's using some call tracking metrics and stuff like that, Google Analytics and Google Sitekit. Very, very interesting. Super simple site. This is great. He's keyword optimized for Naples, it looks like. He's got the social signals, some eat signals. You go down, it's just a nice, simple website. Like nothing crazy, but you really can't mistake that this is a plumbing website, right? And let's get to the interesting part. So he doesn't get much traffic, even though, guys, this is a very, very successful plumber. Like he's doing good, but he only gets 60 traffic. So he's got 100 traffic from plumbers, Naples, Florida. So just one keyword, he's getting all of his business from. That is awesome. But we're not going over just normal site audit today. We're going over technical SEO. So let's see what's wrong with his site. And a good way to tell if you should even run an audit of a site, you can tell by the traffic, obviously, that they don't know what they're exactly doing. Headings are usually a dead giveaway. If they don't have like a H1 heading with their keyword, they already don't understand the most basic level of SEO. So I scraped all of his headings with a super simple tool I'll show you guys. And you can see like jumbled up. They don't really make sense. It leads with like H3s and H2s just like equally. It's kind of strange. But like even some of these should be H2s that are more important keywords. The way I was able to tell what his titles were is get this extension detailed. This is his homepage. Your title should be dead on optimized. So his H1, no doubt, if he wants to rank for, which he is, conveniently, plumbers, Naples, Florida, like this, Naples Plumbing Services. That should be an H1. You know, that's a very clear sign that he doesn't know what he's doing with SEO. If you want to work together, Bob Hill, I would love to. Let's get you ranking in more areas than Naples. Not trying to dog on your website, really just trying to educate people and other business owners on how to do good SEO and that it's not that complicated. Anyone can do this. Let's get into the technical SEO aspect. So remember, technical SEO and on-site SEO are completely different. They kind of mumble jumble together like when people describe them, but they're different things. On-site SEO, this is like the fun stuff, optimizing content and the HTML elements of the web page. Now, technical SEO, this is the stuff that's just really not fun for most people. They look at it and they're like, I just don't want to do it. But it's really not that complicated once you get into it. So focusing on the non-content elements, it affects how search engines crawl, index, and render our website, which just means load. Proving the overall technical setup and the architecture. So speed, mobile friendliness, XML sitemaps. I know these are complicated terms, but they're really, really simple once I start explaining them. Robots text, URL structure, internal linking, structured data markup, server configuration, and site security. Guys, I know that sounds like what is going on. It's really not complicated. Most of this is already done for you when you build a website. Here's the audit. These are all the errors it came up with. You're like, oh my gosh, that looks like a mess, right? All of this stuff, 404 page, no index tags. What does that mean? It's really not important. Actually, he doesn't really need to fix any of this besides probably his H1 tag, which is onsite. So this is the Ahrefs audit. It'll give you a little bit of advice on onsite. But all this honestly really doesn't matter, and you can figure this stuff out really quick. Like orphan page has no incoming links. That just means you can't get to a page besides searching that exact URL. And no index tag is just robots text where it says search engines don't crawl this page. We don't want you to see it. That's perfectly fine if they're pages that you don't want to see. He got a 93 on Technical SEO. So you guys can run these audits through anything. And if you get above an 80, just look at a few big ones and really don't like mess around with it. You're probably fine. If you notice there's errors with your site, fix the simple stuff really. But this is what it looks like in Ahrefs. So it gives you a rank. It tells you the 8 errors that are a big deal. So 404 page just means you can't get there. And it'll tell you, it kind of gives you all the clues you need. And he doesn't even need to fix these. It's just as annoying for users, but he's doing fine. Nothing that'll really affect search engines that bad. Slow pages, that's nice to fix. I bet you it's just images. But yeah, that's pretty much the video, guys. If you want good white hat SEO, if you're a business owner, book a call with me. If we can't work together, I will push you in the right direction and help you however I can. Awesome. See you guys tomorrow.